Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. What is the current in the 2 ohm resistor? So we need to find out the current here in this 2 ohm resistor. Good. Okay, but we have some problem here. This is a trick question because this point is grounded and this point is also grounded, which means the potential here will be 0 here, and this also 0. We need to redraw the circuit here to better illustrate the problem here. So here we will have this 9-volt battery, and this one will be positive side and this one will be negative side, and that is 9 volt. Good. And here we will have this 4 ohm resistor. So this one will be 4 ohm resistor, and the top one will be the 2 ohm resistor. 2 ohm resistor, and then here we will have this 3 volt voltage source, 3 volt battery. Okay, but this node is grounded. Okay, this node is grounded and this node is also grounded. So actually this node and this node is connected and both of them is connected to the ground. So the real circuit looks like this. So here we have short circuit here across this 4 ohm resistor. So we need to take off this 4 ohm resistor. Why? Because that will be 4 parallel with 0 ohm, right? A short circuit is a resistance with the value of 0. And that will be 4 multiplied by 0 divided by 4 plus 0. That will be 0, right? 0 ohm. So this and this becomes a short circuit, right? So the actual circuit looks like this and not like that, right? This is the actual circuit. Good. And here we can apply the loop rule to this loop here. So we will have this loop here as loop 1, and let's name the current across this 2 ohm resistor as I. Okay, not I1. Maybe I is okay. And we can apply the loop rule to loop 1. Apply loop rule to loop 1. Okay, the loop rule said that the sum of the voltage in a loop will equal to 0. Okay, however, we have to be very careful about the sign. Okay, this current here is going to the right, and I use this convention for the resistor. Where the current comes from is the positive terminal, and then where the current goes to is the negative terminal, like that. Why? Because when calculating loop rule, the voltage here, the sign is very important. We will see here. Okay, let's start from this 9-volt battery here in this loop, and the loop entering from the negative terminal. So I will have negative sign here. See, the sign will be very important. And the voltage will be 9 volt. So I will have minus 9. Good. And then it enters this resistor from the positive terminal. So I will have plus. And then remember, we have the voltage. To get voltage, we use Ohm's law, right? The Ohm's law said that the voltage is equal to the current multiplied by the resistor. This is the Ohm's law. But then our resistor is 2 and our current is I. We don't know I yet. So I just write it as 2I. Good. And now we have one more component, which is this 3-volt battery. And the loop entering from the positive terminal. So I will have plus. And then the voltage here is 3 volt. So I will have plus 3. Good. And all of that will equal to 0. And all we need to do is doing some math. So I'll have 2i here minus 9, and then plus 3 will be minus 6, right? And that will equal to 0. And we can add 6 to the both sides. So I'll have 2i, and that will equal to 6. Let's divide both sides by 2. So I'll have I is equal to 3. And the unit will be in ampere. Okay, but that is I. The question is the current in the 2 ohm resistor. Okay, we got that correct, right? And the direction will be to the right. So the current that passed through that 2 ohm resistor is 3 ampere, and the direction is to the right. Okay, and I think that's all for this problem. So we have this answer here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.